My dear students, today I am going to explain you regarding manufacturing business. It is an area in your lesson number 1 of grade 10 syllabus. Manufacturing business. If we take the word manufacturing, it means producing something. That may be a good or service. Some businesses are manufacturing goods and some businesses are manufacturing services. Therefore, this manufacturing is a process. It is using raw materials and providing goods and services as an output. If we take raw materials, it is an input. If we take goods and services, it is an output. Then it has to go through a process to provide these goods and services. This process is called manufacturing. It is converting raw materials into finished goods. It's a process. If we take this manufacturing business, we can divide it into two. If we take this manufacturing business, we can divide it into two. First one is commodity manufacturing business. Second one is service providing business. Things which are provided by the business which is having a physical existence is called commodities. As an example, books, computers, tables, pencils, pens, they are the commodities provided by the business. If we take services, it is things that are not having a physical existence. As we take health, services is any activity or a process rendered by a business. We have to get the use of these services at the same time of producing. If we take the service of a doctor, we can't separate that service from a doctor. Therefore, we have to use this service at the same time. As other examples, we can take insurance services, banking services, transportation services, retail and wholesale businesses as examples for services. Therefore, as a summary, businesses which are providing commodities is called manufacturing businesses. That means it is following a process to provide goods to the market. These commodities are tangible and they are having a physical existence. Therefore, we can see different categories of commodities which are manufactured by these manufacturing businesses. This type of businesses, we introduce them as commodity manufacturing businesses. The entities which are providing services, we name them as service providing business. Thank you very much.